week. If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain muna kami, Lord. Ikuba muna kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. Oh, Doc, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. This is the new Doc Willie. The old Doc Willie, yung duwag, is still there. But the new Doc Willie is more, how do you say it? More vocal, more strong.